Today we're going to show you how to apply one transfer type in 2 different ways for the same great results. So I have 2 of the exact same transfer here, but what we're going to do is we're going to apply them onto 2 different garments. One will be with cotton and the other polyester. So we use our standard EPT settings for 100% cotton, cotton poly blends, and spandex and poly blends. We're going to set our temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 to 6 seconds and with medium pressure. And all these settings can be adjusted depending on your type of heat press. Next, we'll load up our garment onto the heat press. And this is optional, but you can pre-press your garment so you can remove any unwanted wrinkles before pressing your transfer. Next, we'll place our transfer onto the shirt, and just be sure it will be facing the right direction after you peel it up. Next, we'll press down on the heat press until it locks in place. And once the timer goes off and the heat press pops up, peel your transfer immediately. Next, we'll use our EPT Plus settings, and you'd use this for polyester, performance wear, or other heat-sensitive fabrics. So we'll set the temperature to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, and for a longer pressing time of 10 to 12 seconds, and also with medium pressure. Similar to before, we'll load up the garment, and you can always pre-press this as well. We'll place the transfer onto the shirt, and press down on the heat press. And once the timer goes off and the heat press pops up, peel your transfer immediately. If you still have questions on how to press your specific garment, you can log on to Versatrans.com for more information.